the leader of the Legislature Party of the Trinamool Congress in Meghalaya and also of the opposition in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Dr. Mukul Sangma, in his interaction with media persons on 1st December 2022, had defended his party's stand in the General Assembly elections of the state to be held in 2023. Speaking on the issue, Dr. Mukul Sangma said that the TMC is all set to create a change as far as political dynamics in the state are concerned.
Political dynamics, these are positive political dynamics. There are bound to be, this kind of element of surprises that will unfold. That's precisely what I've said, I think, months ago, not just last month or just 2-3 months ago, but long time ago. And this is precisely what is happening. You are seeing as an offshoot of this whole political dynamics that unfolded based on the prevailing situation. Now please remember that we have always maintained that not just from one political party, not just from TMC, but from many other political parties which are having presence in the state of Meghalaya will see their elected representative, sifted for obvious reasons. As I say, these are something which are offshoot of the political dynamics that the state has seen after the bold decision that we have all taken to create a new alternative. Today, for the purpose of our perspective of interpretation, when we talk about the change that people aspire to achieve, in as far as installation of the government in 2022 is concerned, there is visible signs, rather there is a complete palpable desire of the people to find change.
On the participation of women candidates in the 2023 elections, Dr. Mukul Sangma said that it is the TMC that will set the trend in women's representation in the state's political scenario.
The whole political dynamics that has unfolded in the preceding months is something which is taking place in an organic form. It's something which is natural. And why I'm saying it is natural, because I see the palpable desire to see a change, the thirst for a change. It's palpable, it's visible, and that's why this visibility that we are talking about is coming from people themselves. Because in our system of democracy, is the people who can create that momentum seeking for change. And I know that this momentum is only going to build further and further stronger, and you will see what political dynamics unfold in the days to come and the years to come as we approach closer and closer to the election 2023. So we look forward for these. And as far as the TMC is concerned, we are engaging in constant engagement with people. Today's exercise has been to be able to enrich ourselves with the concerns of the people.